Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to stop over trading. Now I know this is a big issue for a lot of traders. You know, you see opportunities in the market and you feel like, you need to take this opportunity at this time or at every given time. But I'm going to show you how to find more high probability trade setups. And once you do this, you're going to stop trading in areas which, just don't seem the best, and this is going to help you with long-term consistency. So I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit those bell notifications for daily updates. Let's get straight into the video.
Started from the bottom like Drake, got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay, so at the moment you can see I am in Telegram, and the reason I'm in Telegram because these are the Trinity alerts. These alerts show you when the market is breaking structure on different currency pairs, indices, metals, exotics, and it's going to show you through different time frames on different pairs. And what this actually is it gives you a quick alert indication on Telegram to tell you that, the pair you might be waiting on is basically done an impulsive move in a bullish or bearish direction for a buy or a sell. We are going to be focusing on GBP USD today, and we're looking at the 15-minute alerts. All the 15-minute alerts are actually here. You can just literally type in your search right over here and you can just put GBP USD, and when I put that, it comes up with all of the alerts. So now I can see all the alerts from Monday, from when the market pretty much opened, to today. And again, we're only focusing on 15-minute alerts. So you can see all the alerts come through with different pairs. You can see them all here on the right. So let's head over to TradingView, and I've already marked out these trades and how you would have been able to look for these setup. Now you can see that we're on TradingView. I'm currently on GBP USD. I'm using Owando and TradingView. If you'd like to get a discount on your TradingView monthly payments, you can click my referral link. Therefore, we'll both get a percentage of a discount towards our monthly payments. And you can see right now, what I've done is I've actually marked out the trades that did come through that were the 15-minute trades. These are all of the ones, and even the losers as well. So our first trade setup was here. Let's go and break down why we could have taken this trade setup. So more importantly, what you can see on my chart is I've drawn all my levels of support and resistance. Now, some of them would have appeared as soon as price action was near that level, and then I had a Trinity alert. These ones were available from the get-go. So from the get-go, there was this 4-hour support level here, this 1-hour support level here, because this is where the market pretty much opened and was moving forward into during the day. And then there was another level of resistance over here. So as price action was moving, then we started to add new levels to this chart. Let's see what happened here. So we basically got a Trinity alert right here telling us for a buy trade. We can see this is a big impulsive candle. And like I said, when you see big impulsive candles in the market, what you're trying to do is really wait for the market to break out, retest, and give you an alert. And that's what we can see here. Even if you did take that entry, this was a 1.35 looking setup you was trying to take, but it did actually only go to about 1.14, which is still a winning trade. You could have put a break even there, or you could have actually taken some pips off of that trade. Your target was obviously this 4-hour resistance level. As you can see, this 4-hour resistance level up here was from the previous week. So what actually happened then after is when the market did break out, it gave us another entry right over here and a continuation up to this side, which this was a better trade, because if we go down to here, this trade was like a 5.5 risk to reward, and we could have had a tighter stop loss here, because price action, once it gives a retest, we're hoping for it to respect market structure. When price action started to sell down towards this area over here before we got this first buy alert, notice how this was a 1-hour level of support. What did the market do here? The market respected structure. So once we had this tap of this level, a continuation, and then we had a London session breakout for a buy on Trinity, this was a valid trade setup that you could say, win or lose, I can take this, because I saw the market went down to a low, found a major level of support or resistance, which is a 1-hour level, and then went for a continuation of a buy. If people want to know how to draw these levels, I'll link the video in the description below. And you can see now you had another entry here for this same continuation again of that trade. We had another alert over here, but why I've put a vertical red line here is, why would you take this trade setup? There was no need for you to take this trade setup, because look where price is right now. Price is in the middle of a zone. I've told people many times in my general section in my Discord, which is the free area, again the link for that is in the description below, don't trade in the middle of price action. Try your best to avoid that and trade from major levels of support or resistance. So we can see right now, this was not a valid trade entry. Even though Trinity popped up with a sell, I wouldn't have taken it. You just chill, you don't take the trade. You can see it popped up with a buy trade here. Have we seen a tap of this level yet? No, we have not seen a tap of this level yet. So why would we take this trade entry? We wouldn't. So we'll leave that one. Now we had another sell here. So you had 3 trade alerts that appeared here on a 15-minute time frame, but there was no need for you to take these 3 trades because price action was trading in the middle. Now when we see the market has broke down and then came all the way back up and gave us another trade entry here, if we go and break down what actually happened in the market and we go up to a higher time frame, remember we had time to do this. The market went down to this level, closed even with a 1-hour candle before it gave us our alert up here. And if we zoom out on a 1-hour time frame, we can see price action had a level of 1-hour support over here where it did buy before. So now we can say that this is a level of support that the market went to go hit. So when we got this alert, this is when we would have taken this trade entry. I am using Trinity to refer as how you can get in and out of this market, but this is with any type of trading indication for an entry into the market. So our target on this trade here would have been the 4-hour level of resistance we had up here, which was marked out from the previous week's 4-hour resistance level. Now, of course, price action bought up, but it was an impulsive candle again. So price action decided to sell back down. Now, where did it sell back down to? When it sold back down, it went to a 1-hour level of support. Why do I know that? Because you can see on the 1-hour level of support right over here, when we got the alert, don't enter the trade straight away, be patient. If we zoom out again, you can see this was the previous buy level where the market went down towards before. So we would have known that this was another tap of a level of support. So this retest is a possibility of a trade that can continue to buy, and you could have entered this trade. Again, if people are asking where you put your stop loss in these trades, you put it below the low. So guys and girls, at this point, I actually did have a technical issue with my sound. I do apologize about that. But what I am actually explaining here is that you would put your stop loss below the low. You could put your stop loss above the high in terms of if a trade entry was to appear with Trinity. And I do go on to explain about the sell trade that you can see further above. The same thing, literally. All you need is price action to get to a period where once the market gets there, you're going to be in a position where it's at a key level and you're going to be able to find, your entry signal. My one would be Trinity, to be able to get into a trade and sell. Yours could be maybe a TDI, maybe a MACD, it could be moving average crosses, it could be whatever it is, but it's the same thing that basically happens. Even if you have Forex questions, you can actually come into my Discord and ask me a question, and I will make a 5 to 10 minute video on it, just like you've seen this one, of course, without the audio technical issue. So I do apologize about that, guys and girls, but I hope you get my point, and I hope this can help you stop losing trades. What you want to do is draw your major levels of support and resistance, and then you wait for your entry triggers when price action gets to those levels or bounces off of those levels. This is what you're looking to do. And with all of that being said, guys and girls, I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.